Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Solana coin. The price line of Solana is breaking down very important support, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line will break down this support and continue the move to the downside, or it will be bounced to the upside from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the live chart, and this is the 4-hourly time frame. Here we have three major support levels. Like, this is very important, and this is $130 support level, and previously you can see here it has been working as a resistance. Here the price line had used this level as a very strong support, and here it worked as a support, and recently it was working very strong support here as well. But now the price line is moved down to the next support at $115. We have a spike up to $116. That is very close to the next support of $115, and right now you can see the price line is sometime moving above the $130 and sometime moving below this level. To continue this rally, to this move to the upside, the price line needs to be above this support of $130, because this is the most strongest support on the short term for the price line of Solana. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here recently the price line has broken down the daily EMA 21, and this blue line, which is the EMA 10, is moving down, and if it will form a death cross or a bear cross with this EMA 21 on the daily, that will be the first sell signal appeared on the daily time frame. And you can see since when this rally was started, like it was started here after 30th of July, the price line broke out this EMA 21 here. The price line is testing first time this EMA 21, but while testing this EMA 21, the price action moved up for a while, but again moved down and finally broke down the support of exponential moving average 21 daily. Now if we watch the different simple moving averages on the same daily time frame chart with the time period of 25 and 50, 100 and 200, then you can see that we have still the smallest time frame moving average, that is 25 above all, then 50, then 100 and then 200. That is the biggest time frame moving average below all other moving averages, and we still have an open alligator mouth formation by the simple moving averages. That is an extreme bullish signal, and unless this open alligator mouth will not be closed, we can expect that this move to the upside can be continued at any time. Right now the price line has broken down the 25 simple moving average, and if this move will be continued, then the 25 simple moving average can start moving down, and it can close this open alligator mouth. Like previously we had this open alligator mouth open here, and you can see the price line was traveling above these open alligator mouth very well, and when this 25 simple moving average crossed down the 50 and then 50 crossed down the 100, then we had a downward, a move to the downside, and after testing this 200 simple moving average, we had this next rally up to $216. Now while the price action has broken down this 25 simple moving average, at the same time if I show you this stochastic oscillator on the daily time frame, then it has entered the oversold zone and has given bull cross or buying signal from this oversold zone. Previously the stochastic went very close to this oversold zone, moved up again and again moved down and completely entered the oversold. Previously we can see that this stochastic never stays in oversold zone for the long time. Here we can see for after some days the stochastic moved up, we had the sideways move, and we had a very nice rally. Before that the stochastic just touched the oversold zone, moved up, we had a nice rally, and before that we can see for only for 1 or 2 days the price, the stochastic touched the oversold zone, and then we had another nice rally, nice move to the upside. So this time we can expect that it has entered the oversold zone. If this move will be continued, the stochastic will not stay in the oversold zone for the long time, then the price line can move above this this 25 simple moving average again on the daily time frame, and it can continue its move to the upside. And at the same time, we can see if we switch to the daily time frame, this is the $130 support. We are right now below $130, but so far this daily candlestick is not closed. We need to watch the closing on the daily time frame. If it will be closed above the $130, and you can see that stochastic has already entered the oversold zone, then the price line can recover the 25 simple moving average supported and this $130 support at the same time, and it can have a nice bounce from here. Now let's move to the 4-hourly time frame chart, and here we can see that we don't have only the support of $130, we also have the support of the down channel as well, that I have already shown you in my previous video as well. And at that time the price line was breaking out this resistance of this down channel here and moved back inside this channel. Right now we also have the support of this channel as well. So if the price line will move down, then we have the next support at $115. Before that we also have the support of this channel as well, and this is another significant support at $104. Right now we should watch this support of $130, that on the daily time frame we need the closing above this support, and then we can expect that the price line can move sideways, and then it can start the next move to the upside from here. But if we will have the closing below $130, then there will be more probability that the price line will break down the support of this channel, and it can also break down other supports as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.